No!
I don't okay, but what? Wait, no! Okay!
This dude's fucking dead. My fault, man. Look at this shit. Shit, lag. I can't form them right. Oh well, let's go.
I love how my slug cat just looked up at me like, what the fuck is this dude doing?
I might call triangle tech too. It looks awesome. Oh no, I hear a beat.
Yeah, I see. I mean, you can throw the spear at it if you want to. I don't know.
Fucking bit. God
Did you just
damn
kill
it.
yourself?
No, I didn't kill
Okay.
myself. Alright, go eat.
That's probably dead, actually.
It is dead. Now eat. Feast on its corpse. Don't hump it. I said eat it. Don't play with your food, you sick fuck.
I might have to set that down. But yeah.
Munch, munch, munch. Oh, you're eating its dick! The hell? Okay.
Okay, so... Oh, you gotta be shitting me! Where is that?
There.
Do you wanna transform that spear, or do you just wanna hold on to it normally?
Hold on. Do.
Okay, yeah. It's right there.
What a funky ass game.
Throw a spear at the closed up thing.
What closed up thing?
The thing that looks like a dildo.
What is that?
Fuck? Why is that here?
What do you mean, why is that here? What is that?
That's a vulture.
Can I say hi to it?
And die, yeah.
What's up, pussy? Ain't gonna do shit.
Oh, hey, a karma flower.
Karma flower.
That was a blue lizard that just fell. Yeah, if you want to put one,
He just
if you want to put
committed
your spear or grenade down, you can pick that up and eat it. Oh, hey!
No, we don't got time for that. Should I throw my grenade? Oh!
You killed me again!
God, God!
John!
Oopsies. It's my fault. I'm very sorry. Our co-monkeys are working real hard to fix this problem. Oh fuck. Hey, it's okay. Look, we'll take you home, Mr. Grumpy
John,
Pants.
I know you're immune to explosions, but I'm not.
Yeah, Oh! No! Okay, it's all good.
You survived.
Oh, I was gonna say fuck.
Yeah, you can follow surprisingly long distance in this game.
Oh, but we can't survive getting chomped once. Pretty ridiculous if you ask me.
They're not as deadly, but...
Oh, what the hell is that?
Oh boy, wait till you see what that dude can do.
Oh! Motherfucker.
It looks like it's dead.
Any
Okay.
rocks in here? Any rocks in chat? Oh my lord. That's a bottomless pit. I'm not taking my chances. Proceeds to
Hang
take
on.
chances.
While we're here, I'm gonna set up a dual wield. Oh fuck. Yeah, I did not think I was gonna be propelled that far. So, hey, you wanna come down here?
Hell no!
One of you guys are gonna have to go retrieve those spears. Oh shit.
One of us. Why don't you make him fall? Yeah, make him come down here. Matt.
I
Okay.
think that's good.
Plan is to let me blow it up. Get out the way.
Okay,
Oh
yeah,
shit,
good,
never
good
mind.
plan, good plan. Oh, I'm
God damn! when the dumbest idiot has the explosive and he tries to blow you up, but it's painfully obvious.
Oh fuck!
Oh!
Scavengers!
Ah!
Oh god!
I got JFK'd.
What do I do?
Press buttons until
Oh
you
wait,
figure shit
can
out.
I eat their shit? Can I eat them?
I think
Why
so.
would you want to eat that thing? Thing
Food.
looks horrendous.
Well,
Oh,
I mean,
you know what? But so Matt, I'm gonna need you to hold the pickup button on your spear. You vomit on it, and the.
Bro, I can't get up there, I swear. Are you dead, John?
Yeah, I'm dead. I got
John
JFK'd.
got. Okay, so
Literally.
just as a heads up, for the downside to Artificer is, yeah, those things hate you.
I
Yeah,
did
that's what fucking
die.
killed him. Yeah.
Can you reboot me?
Reaver, bro said Reaver like it's fucking Fortnite.
Oh, I can't move.
Yeah, you can.
Oh,
Matt!
did I die?
No,
No.
you didn't die. You're fine.
No, I dropped my shit. And you drop
Oh,
your
a
shit
bomb?
whenever. That was
Oh my
mine.
god, that's a really fast rock. Bro, look how fast I throw that thing.
Yeah, look how fast I throw this thing.
Ah! You killed me. Oh, you didn't kill me. I thought you killed me.
No, there's a
You guys
certain
are
blast
immune
radius.
to. You guys are immune to
How do you
explosions.
How did you get the bomb? What? How'd you get that?
I puked in it. I shoved that thing in my mouth vigorously, and my tongue proceeded to meet to the surface of all that rock.
Okay,
Well, I'm
so
gonna get that spirit now.
get to, can we
Hold.
focus on moving? The day's already
Yeah.
halfway done, and we have gone nowhere.
Okay, so what do I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do?
Hold the jump button. Hold the jump button. Okay,
Terry
and now
breeze
you're
up
arced
in the
up.
air, and
Okay,
let
now
it go.
and now let it go. Let it go. Let go jump.
There you go. That's how you do it.
No! You would literally. Maybe
Only
I
Matt
should just.
I thought I was supposed to go somewhere else. I thought I didn't do it right.
John, you want to go? You guys want to go to this one?
Yeah.
Sure.
Let's commit sussy among us.
Oh. Oh my god. Passionate love making. Go! Get
You
me
guys
fast.
go, please.
I can go. Oh, you
Okay.
go. Okay, vulture.
Is it a vulture?
Alright,
Okay,
Matt.
yeah, that's a
Matt.
vulture.
Matt.
I don't have a spear. I think I died.
Well,
I don't know what I'm supposed to do against that thing.
you're supposed to be better, Matt.
Bro,
Maybe-
I never played this game in my life.
Hurry,
I don't
hurry,
think
Matt.
we're close enough to. You guys are gonna have to be a little bit faster than that.
What? I'm trying, okay? Look, I don't know how to
I'm
move
also
fast as
trying.
you.
Yeah, I think we're
Oh
just.
my
fucked.
god. We're gonna die.
Oh wait,
I'm not gonna die.
Go through here. Then up.
This way?
Yeah.
Right.
Shit.
Matt, I believe in you.
Well, I
Alright.
think it's safe to say we're fucked.
We are.
John, you wanna blow me up? Blow me,
Alright.
John.
Come on.
Alright.
Blow me.
Alright.